If you're a woodworker and like shopping on Amazon, then listen up because this is for you. You can receive my 40 free woodworking plans straight to your email inbox, and you'll also get $750 towards shopping on Amazon. If you want to get more info, click the link in bio or simply message me with the word plans, and I'll send you the link. Comment down your favorite part of the video or ask us anything. If you liked this video, I would be very happy for follow as you don't want to miss future DIY projects. Have a wonderful day.